I'm delighted to be in the East Midlands today, one of our mid-market corporate customers, the Barcode Warehouse. And I'm here to see a financial foundations workshop that NatWest is delivering to their employees. It's a workshop around savings and investing, trying to demystify some of the preconceptions and the assumptions, but also build financial confidence and capability around planning for the future. Financial Foundations is a free series of workshops that covers a really broad range of topics, from simple budgeting, managing your finances, saving and investing. They're delivered in premises of our customers, they're delivered in the community, all to help build financial capability and confidence. Our aim for Financial Foundations is to reach 50,000 people, and in order to support that, we're training 300 additional facilitators who will be equipped to deliver the programme all across the nations and regions of the UK. And it's all part of our bigger Growing Together plan, a long-term plan to create the conditions for UK growth.